Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by picking the right tool, a vent brush with wide vents and medium bristles because it boosts airflow and prevents overbrushing. Once done, towel dry hair to about 60 to 70%. This prevents breakage while letting heat styling work. Next, detangle quickly with fingers or a wide tooth comb. Make 3 clear sections, left, right, crown, and clip them. Now take the first small section and place the brush at the roots. Give a firm, single stroke toward the tip to set the base. You now focus on drying and shaping. Hold the hairdryer nozzle about 15 to 20 cm away and angle airflow down the shaft. That reduces frizz and seals the cuticle. Use medium heat and, very importantly, brush in one smooth motion with each pass rather than sawing back and forth so the hair lies where you want it. Once you've trained a section with 2 to 4 passes, adjust your wrist to add volume at the roots or flatten for a sleeker finish. Make sure the brush follows the airflow. You finish by using the dryer's cool shot on each section to lock the shape. This sets the style and adds shine. Once cool, apply a pea-size amount of styling product, matte paste for texture or light cream for control, and blend with the brush. Use the vent brush for quick touch-ups, but avoid overbrushing because it moves natural oils and flattens volume. If frizz or flyaways show up, lower the heat, work on smaller subsections, or add a tiny drop of serum. That one fix solves most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.